Lawrence here. I'm a professional athlete on racing dirt bikes, and I'm here with Movement today. I'm gonna show you kind of a little bit of my pad. So let's go check it out, eh? So as you come in, you got two of my championship bikes. This is probably my pride and joy, was my SMX trophy. Yeah, got this, and the winning prize was $1 million, so it's pretty sick. This is my favorite area of the house, you could say. It's we just got it redone. Again, we got my pool table here, custom felt my race number 18. Nice chill area here. Can chillax, set you off for the TV. One of my coolest collabs with my gear would be the anti-social gear I did in 22. You gotta put a bar in. You gotta have a bar. I have older friends who drink, so we had to put a bar in too. I ended up investing in a golf net. I got a little launch monitor too. One of my favorite things is my car collection so far. I bought a 2023 or 4 Rolls-Royce Cullinan with a man-through body kit. The interior is very nice. And I'm pretty sure in the door sill here, I have a movement watch. It's a little nice one. I love it, leather strap. I'm a big leather strap guy. Alrighty, that basically concludes the house pad tour. Come join me with a practice day.